Hey, what's up, Chris? Yeah, I wanted to do rental properties, but I'm kind of getting cold feet about it because some people I know have been having some real headaches with their tenants and drama and like gang members moving into their properties and like threatening them and saying they're not going to pay rent, they're just going to stay there for free and all this stuff, and that's crazy, man. I don't even like to leave my room. I don't want to go deal with gangsters moving into my slum tenant property thing, my rental property, my slum property. Yeah, if I hired a tenant manager, that would be a lot stronger case for doing rental properties. But I actually heard recently that investing in the stock market's actually a higher return. It's just a little more risky because if the stock market tanked, you'd be in trouble. Whereas a real estate property, pretty much there's no chance that that would tank unless if like the community the property was in went down heavily in value or whatever. I don't know. But then if you're having a property manager for your real estate, that's going to take a lot out of your bottom line, and it might not even be worth it by that point. I don't know. It depends on the numbers, but because after you factor in repairs and evictions, vacancies, putting in ads to get new tenants, um, property depreciation, maybe buying new heating systems, new plumbing repair, electrical systems, replacing the air conditioner every 10 years. All this stuff goes into your cost. So having a property manager on top of all of that, you'd really have to have a high profit margin property to make it worthwhile, or know some really cheap repairmen who can do it all, which I used to be one. I used to do property. Um, I was a maintenance man for several rental properties at one point before I decided to get really serious about making money from home online. And I've managed to get my income up now with purely working from home, making all my money online, to where I no longer need to do like handyman work, which has been great because I didn't really like it. I could do it, but it's it's a lot. It's hard work. You have to put on jeans and boots and bring all of your tools and like go to hardware stores to get whatever supplies you need. You have to give estimates out, and then you're actually doing a lot of physical hard labor. And I don't know. I made like 75 an hour doing it, but it just wasn't worth it to me. I'd rather make all my money online and just sit in my comfy chair and hang out with you guys.